Alright, it's super early in the morning, 5:50 a.m. And I want to see if it can create a simple Pinescript trading strategy. Someone told me this thing could write code, so I want to see what it's capable of. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Wow. This is unbelievable. ChatGBT is on another one. The only thing they forgot was the version number, which is needed to run this trading strategy. But upon first glance, this is a strategy. Wow. This should be able to change the way I develop code, actually. So this is pretty insane. I didn't expect it to be able to do this. I mean, this might completely change how I code things. I mean, maybe if I need an API that wants to hook into ChatGBT, I would just be able to use this. So this is insane. Wow. What is going on here? No. This is unbelievable. Did they just honestly tell me how to hook into ChatGPT from Discord? I can't believe this. Wow. Let's see what it can do here. Wow. This is something else. So you can now get strategies started by using this. And I'm sure the more complex you go in the prompt, the more complex it'll be able to create a strategy. Now, this looks relatively similar to the one created above here, but this is still really amazing. And it's even going to explain what's happening. No way. This is too cool. Okay, so yesterday I actually just created a simple, like, motivational request and it gave me a quote. Today I'm actually testing the limits of how intelligent this thing is, and I am truly impressed. This almost makes me feel bad. Like, all the work I put into creating strategies is, of course, I created more complex strategies, exactly what I wanted, but this is insane. I mean, I did a little Python code in the past, and this is something that I used. I actually created something I was able to pull from Amazon's page, and I was curious to see if this thing could create the code for me. Oh my gosh, this thing is unreal. So this allows anybody to be a coder, whether you're making trading strategies on trading views, proprietary code of Pinescript, or even trying to fetch information on Amazon using Python code. This thing is dangerous, man. I can only start to think of the applications that I could apply this towards. So this is going to be a new tool that I add to my repertoire. I mean, this is going to allow me to create an email. Let's see. Copy, create an email that will No, they put the subject in? No! This can't be. Oh my gosh. I was planning to go back to bed after this, but I could play with this all day. Wow. This is truly impressive. Like I said, I was actually interested in applying this into a Discord and actually seeing if I could, make this process integrated with the Discord, so you could just go into a channel and then you could type in these responses and get them back. Or maybe even, have channels that are specific to certain things, like if you're looking to code or you're looking for essays to be put together, just sort of make the process a little bit more simple. But this is already really insane. It makes you wonder. Shoot, I mean, I guess if it's really scraped a lot of the public data and information, it probably could make some pretty advanced code. Because there's some pretty advanced code out there that's in the public domain. Oh man, I hate this. It's like you can barely see FPFLVT. FPFLVT. Wow. I wonder if this software is going to be made available for everyone to train on their own data. I mean, this is impressive. Doesn't look like you can access ChatGPT through here. I would think that you could, but it looks like this is more of like a community. So I'd be interested in tying this actually into a Discord. So you could search through a channel and get responses back. But this is unreal. Oh, this is the motivational one that I did earlier. Wow. Didn't really give me a sentence, but gave me a quote.